AB InBev dropped its second quarterly earnings this morning. While its global revenue and EPS weren't staunched, its U.S. sales, they took a massive hit following the Dylan Mulvaney controversy. Let's bring in now Yahoo Finance's Brooke DiPalma to give us some more insights. Brooke.
Good
Please,
morning.
yeah, lay of the land here. Good to see you again.
Lay of the land for sure. I mean, this was an hour-long call that really kicked off with that performance here in the U.S. It was mixed results overall, beating analyst estimates for earnings, but did fall short on revenue. And here in the U.S., once again, top story there. Revenue in the U.S. declined by 10.5% in the months from April to June, largely led by that poor volume performance of Bud Light. Now, Anheuser-Busch InBev CEO did kick off the call with this, really a frontline perspective or first insight that we're really getting to the full breadth of the impact of that controversy that kicked off back in April. And he did say that since April, the brand has engaged with 17,000 consumers. He said that of those that they surveyed, approximately 80% found that Bud Light is favorable or neutral. And they also said the consumer is at the focus and the center of everything that they do. But he did mention 3 points of feedback that they've gotten. Take a listen.
1, they want to enjoy their beer without a debate. 2, they want Bud Light to focus on beer. 3, they want Bud Light to concentrate on the platforms that all consumers love, such as NFL, Folds of Honor, and music. We are taking the feedback and working hard to earn our consumers' business every day across the world.
And now, in terms of market share, they did say that they're seeing a more stable scenario here in the U.S. over the week of July 23rd. Market share was down 5.26% year over year, but that's slightly up from month to date. And the company really doubling down on beer being for everyone here, beer being in terms of an entertainment business and really there for folks. And in addition to that, the company really, doubling down on providing that support to their wholesale partners over these past few months and really focusing to move forward from this controversy.
And when it comes to margins and pricing, we know that's always in focus, especially in the high inflationary environment that we remain in. What can you tell us about that was on the call and in the report?
Yeah, well, they did say that they took 2 price increases last year, given the size of inflation and cost. But what I find most interesting here is that the company did say that those rebates that got a lot of coverage in the news over the last month or so was actually in line with seasonality. It's something that they do over this time of year each year. And so they said that they're seeing signals of improvement across their different stores and channels. And in terms of really what we're going to see here in terms of promo, they said that they're typically doing what they always do around this time of year in terms of seasonality and the summer promotions that they do every year. And so those rebates that were sort of pointed out in recent months weren't out of the normal, according to executives here.